Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why things fall to the ground, how electricity powers your home, or what makes rockets fly into space? The answer to all these questions lies in one subject, physics. Today, we'll break down what physics is, how scientists discover new things using the scientific method, and the fascinating history of early physics discoveries. Let's dive in. Physics is the fundamental science that explains how everything in the universe works, from the movement of planets to the smallest particles inside an atom. Physics helps us understand and control natural forces. Every time you turn on a light, watch a cricket match, or even use your phone, you're benefiting from the principles of physics. It forms the foundation of other sciences like biology, chemistry, and astronomy. But how do scientists actually make discoveries? They don't just guess, they follow a structured approach called the scientific method. It's like solving a mystery step by step. Here's how it works. 1. Observe a problem. Why does something happen? 1. Collect information, research and gather data. 1. Form a hypothesis, a possible explanation. 1. Test with experiments. See if the idea works. 1. Analyze results. Does the data support the idea? 1. Repeat experiments, ensure consistency. 1. Establish a scientific law. If it's always true, it becomes a principle. For example, if we drop a heavy ball and a light ball, do they fall at the same speed? Galileo tested this and found that gravity affects all objects equally, proving Aristotle wrong. Now let's talk about how physics started. Humans have always been curious about the world, why the sun moves, why objects fall, and how to make work easier. Early physics wasn't in fancy labs, it was in everyday life. The lever and wheel were some of the first physics-based inventions, helping humans build things and move heavy loads. Ancient thinkers like Aristotle and Ptolemy explained nature using logic but didn't test their ideas. Then came Archimedes, who was the first to use experiments, discovering the principle of buoyancy. During the Middle Ages and Renaissance, Roger Bacon predicted many future scientific discoveries but faced opposition. Galileo proved objects fall at the same speed and supported the heliocentric model of the universe. And Isaac Newton developed the laws of motion and gravity, changing science forever. Newton's discoveries laid the foundation for modern physics, and later Albert Einstein's theories took it even further. Today, physics is shaping the future. From AI and self-driving cars to space missions and nuclear energy, it's the reason we have so many incredible technologies. And the best part, there's still so much to discover. So, let's recap. Physics is the science of understanding natural forces. The scientific method helps us make discoveries, and great minds like Galileo and Newton paved the way for modern physics. And guess what? You could be the next great physicist. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Knowledge Suitcase for more science content. Drop a comment below. What physics topic fascinates you the most? See you next time.